Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Marcello back at Toyota World, and I want to share with you guys some exciting information that we just found out, just got released about a new feature coming to the 2022 Toyota Tundra lineup. So behind me here, I have two Tundras. I've got a TRD and I've got a 1794, both with a power moonroof, but they don't have a panoramic sunroof, guys. That's coming for the 2022 Toyota Tundra. Let's take a look at what just got released. Now, hang on guys, before I actually go in to show you this photo of what's been recently released on the 2022 Tundra, do you guys understand how big of a deal this is? You've got a panoramic style sunroof on a pickup truck. There's not much space on the roof of a pickup truck to even endeavor and try to accomplish such a thing. But Toyota, again, has surprised us all with an amazing panoramic sunroof, moonroof on the 2022 Tundra. As you can see, I'm inside of the 1794 2021 Toyota Tundra. You could tell it's a 1794 by these lovely burnt orange style seats. But as you guys can see in this photo, there's more surprises, not only the panoramic style sunroof, but some other key hints that Toyota's putting out there for the 2022 Tundra and what it's going to come with. Okay, with no further ado, let's go in and take a look at this photo. How about we start off with one of the most obvious things that catches your eye when you first look at this picture, other than the sunroof, panoramic sunroof. You've got the red leather or Softex, not sure right now at this point, but red fabric, red material seats on the 2022 Toyota Tundra. So it's going to be available on some of the models, one of the models, not sure just yet. We haven't seen specific spec sheets yet released from Toyota, but clearly there's going to be a red interior available on this truck, which is fantastic because if you look at the previous photos which have been released just a few weeks ago, the one that shows the front windshield and the view out into the desert, I did do a video on that I think about a week or two ago. You'll see there's some red details and red stitching in the steering wheel, so clearly you're going to have red matching interior seats and interior trim possibly, but that's really cool and really exciting information, guys. It kind of looks like the red leather or Softex on the XSE 2021 Toyota Highlander. It looks very similar to that, actually. Really exciting to be able to get that kind of interior on a pickup truck. And we'll get to the other exciting stuff, which is panoramic sunroof. But speaking in terms of models that this red interior will come on, I'm not sure. I've got to say most likely it's going to go with the TRD Pro. I think it's pretty much, we can say, almost confirmed by the images and photos. You've got the image that was released weeks ago, the white TRD Pro, and that seems to be the same vehicle that they've used to display the interior, which showed you looking out of the front windshield with the red stitching and the red details. And here we are now with the red interior. So more than likely you're going to have a red interior option on the 2022 TRD Pro. Perhaps one of the other models also, maybe one of the higher end limited models or higher end TRD models. That would be cool. But just to say that you are able to get red interior on a pickup truck, that's hot, especially on a white exterior, black exterior, really cool. Now, one more thing, actually, it was a small detail that you could easily miss if you just quickly glanced at the photo. But here it is, guys. I'm going to actually show you because we do have this right now on the 2021s. Some of the models, especially the Crew Max, check it out. So that's right. You've got the power rear sliding glass, which currently is going to be staying for the 2022 model. As you can see in the photo, it's kind of like half up, half down, kind of like in that position in the photo. So on the Crew Max 2022 Tundra, not sure exactly which model, but looks like the TRD Pro will have this feature available. So that's something new and exciting. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the panoramic style, first ever sunroof on the 2022 Toyota Tundra. This is exciting, groundbreaking news, guys. I don't know, I can't say for sure, but I'm almost certain that there's no other pickup truck in the industry or market that has a full-size panoramic style sunroof on a truck. Again, don't quote me, I could be wrong. I don't think so, but this is really cool, guys. Really exciting information that we just got leaked. I imagined that if Toyota wanted to endeavor or try and do something like this, that they would have kind of made it like the Venza. The Venza Limited has what's called a Stargaze sunroof, and it's basically just like a glass roof where you can kind of flick on and off if you want light to come in or not, and if you want to be able to see out or see in, right, however you want to say it. But this is an opening, functioning panoramic style sunroof, which, man, that's got to let a lot of light into the cockpit of this truck, especially being a Crew Max. You got the full 4 doors, lots of space inside the truck, and there you have a full-size panoramic style sunroof. How awesome is this going to be to have? So here, I'm in the 1794 2021 Tundra, and it's got a regular size, standard size sunroof in it. And as you can see, beautiful to have, lets a lot of light in, a lot of natural light, a lot of, makes you feel just totally different inside the cockpit of the pickup truck. Imagine what it would look like and feel like if that glass continued onward to the back. This is amazing, guys. I can't wait to see this live and in person.